Today we're diving into the latest from Realme, the Realme 12 Plus. This phone promises a lot, but does it deliver? Let's find out. First, the Realme 12 Plus comes with a sleek design featuring luxury design, which Realme says it is inspired by luxury watch design. The phone feels premium in hand with a perfectly balanced weight. The back is made of faux leather silicone polymer. It comes in two color variants, Pioneer Green and Navigator Beige. On the front, we have a stunning 6.7-inch Super AMOLED HDR10+ display with 120Hz refresh rate, providing vibrant colors and smooth scrolling. The display resolution is 1080 x 2400 pixels, which translates to sharp and clear visuals. 2000 nits whether you're watching videos or playing games. The in-display fingerprint sensor is fast and reliable, adding an extra layer of security. You see a 16-megapixel punch-hole selfie camera cutout. Under the hood, the Realme 12 Plus is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7250 chipset with Mali G68 GPU and 8GB or 12GB of RAM, depending on your chosen variant. This combination ensures smooth performance, whether you're multitasking or playing graphics-intensive games. Now, let's talk about the camera setup. The Realme 12 Plus features a quad-camera system with a 50-megapixel main sensor, which, according to Realme, is the first in the segment to offer a Sony sensor. The Sony LYT600 is part of the company's relatively new Lydia line of image sensors. Also, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 2-megapixel macro lens, and video support at 4K at 30 FPS. Overall, the camera department is pretty impressive with sharp and vibrant colors in low light. Battery life is another strong point for the Realme 12 Plus. With its 5000 mAh battery, you can easily get through a full day of heavy usage. And when you need to charge, the 65 watts fast charger gets you from 0 to 100% in just about 35 minutes. The Realme 12 Plus runs on Realme UI 5.0, based on Android 14. The interface is clean and user-friendly, with plenty of customization options. There are also some neat features like a customizable, always-on display and various privacy features. Inside the box, you got the Realme 12 Plus handset, a 65 watts fast charger, a USB-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, and the usual paperwork. So is the Realme 12 Plus worth it? Absolutely. It offers a premium design, a fantastic display, powerful performance, and a versatile camera setup, all at a competitive price. If you're looking for a top-notch smartphone without breaking the bank, the Realme 12 Plus should be on your list. Seems like Realme giving the best offer. The price of this device of base 8.128GB is INR 1,995 and €220 or $240. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Realme 12 Plus. See you in the next video, tech aficionados.